I just said hello to you, so you know me, and I'm Raj.
I work with a lot of our companies that do XR in spatial tech. So this is, do you mind being on camera?
No, not at all.
Okay.
Like literally you would be okay with being on camera?
Absolutely.
Well, let me tell you about this. So do you travel for business often?
I do.
Okay. Well, do you carry a laptop with you?
Right now,
Okay, so you got a laptop in that big bag there. So what would you say if I told you you could replace your entire laptop with a pair of sunglasses?
impossible, I would say. That's the thought.
So what do you think about something like this? This is the INAIR 2 Elite Suite, and what this is an Android spatial computer. And what I mean by spatial computer is I'm going to hand you these glasses. Do you see okay without glasses on?
Yeah.
So I'm going to hand you these glasses, and you're going to actually be in a augmented reality space where I'm going to allow you to see what you're working on, but see the real world at the same time. Okay, so you're on the plane. The stewardess is coming. You don't miss the drink cart. Yeah,
You don't miss the drink
No,
cart.
I've missed the drink cart so many times. I'm telling you.
But I will be able to be aware of the surroundings.
So why don't you go ahead and put these on?
You sure?
Yeah, absolutely.
It doesn't bite me, right?
Then I shocked you. I saw.
Okay, I can see you.
Okay, so you can see me. So do you see the computer in front of you?
Yes, I do.
So this is kind of like an air mouse.
That's a computer use. This is a computer. Okay.
So this is a screen you can move. Okay. And literally like look around and you can see that the images are going to stay there. They're going to be nice and clear.
Clear.
Hit the home button here. The little button.
This one? Okay. Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay. So you see like a 3D, it's a space view,
I
right?
see the apps and all.
You see all your apps. So now you can swipe your finger across that screen. You can scroll through the apps. So you could have all your productivity apps, so your Word, your Excel, your PowerPoint. You can have your remote desktop back to your PC at your house or your office. Now here's where I want you to do something very clear. So you're still seeing me, right?
I'm seeing you, and I'm seeing the screen kind of overlay both of them.
So let's make it immersive. You don't want to see me anymore. So up on your left tube, across the arm of the glasses, I need you to slide there.
You're gone darker, and I can still make it darker and darker. You're invisible to me
And
now.
now you're gone. Yeah. So now you're in privacy. So now I can't see anything through those glasses. You can't see anything through glasses. And now you're in a virtual space.
How do I navigate these apps?
So you would actually navigate the apps with this back right there. Or you've got a full keyboard and mouse right here in front.
So what do I do with these?
You can just set this right in. Now watch, I'm going to make it a little more natural for you. So you're used to using a laptop, right?
Yeah.
So here you go.
Okay. So
Now you've got a spatial laptop.
Okay.
So you could have like 6 apps open at the same time, all of them spaced around.
yeah, YouTube I opened up. It's not connecting fully, but maybe it's a kind of connectivity. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So I go to the home button again, and then
See, but YouTube's going to stay in the background when you hit the home button. Now open a second.
okay. Let me try again then. Let me do the YouTube again, and then how do I open the second app?
Just literally go back to the home and then slide over into the interface.
Okay, the interface came back again. The home screen came back again.
Right, and you can 2-finger swipe, and that'll take you through the
Yeah. Okay.
And then just open up the second app, and then it'll actually place another window right next to you.
So basically, I can do this anywhere that I am,
As long as you have an internet connection.
as long as I don't really look weird.
But see, look cool.
I don't look like this.
You look cool because you're sitting there wearing sunglasses.
So
Raj, would you do me a favor real quick? Were you paid in any way for your time doing this?
Don, you said $1,000 to me, right? Maybe I did that.
All right, we want to be able to tell people this was an honest
just
reaction
kidding.
with no
I'm just kidding.
paid promotion.
I was very honest, and I just came by. I don't even know
Yeah.
Don before.
I don't know him either.
He said
I'm just
he'll let me wear his glasses. It looked cool to me, so
Yes.
I looked at it. So it's really cool.
Awesome.
What I saw.
Thank you for your time.